Hey sunshines, it's your girl Day here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already done so. If you love pizza and need a healthy alternative to bread, then this video is for you. I will be stuffing portobello mushrooms with pizza toppings. I start off by cutting off the stem and removing the gills from the mushrooms. Yes, that is what that black fibrous substance is called. They are called gills. You don't have to remove them, but I choose to do so because just aesthetic reasons. They won't hurt you or anything. You can definitely eat them. Mushrooms are low in carbs and sodium. They are technically in the vegetable family, but it is a fungi. I love mushrooms, and portobellos in particular have an excellent flavors and can be stuffed with so many other ingredients. I didn't put a paper towel on this plate, but I wish I would have done so to soak up that extra moisture. I recommend that you add a paper towel to your plate. That way you can get up that extra moisture. Mushrooms are an excellent substitute for meat. Actually, a lot of vegans use it for burgers. They're not dry whatsoever. So make sure you add a paper towel to your plate. Here I am adding mozzarella cheese and some peppers and onions. I like using different color peppers because I think they're pretty and I just love the taste of peppers. Titus wanted to come and say hello to everyone. Say hi, Titus.
Hi, everybody.
Next, I will be adding pepperonis to my pizza. You don't have to put pepperonis on your pizza. You don't have to put peppers and onions on your pizza if you don't want to. You can put whatever toppings you would like. Then I go ahead and preheat my oven to 450 degrees. And I line my pan with oil. And I drizzle olive oil to help the mushroom crisp up. Then I go ahead and sprinkle some of this fresh thyme pizza seasoning on it. It's basically a blend of Italian seasoning, oregano, basil, and a little garlic. Then go right ahead and place your mushrooms into the oven. I had to physically set my timer because I will walk off and forget that I am cooking and go do something else. So make sure you set your timer, or if you have a good memory and have a good concept of time, then by all means you don't have to do that. I definitely enjoyed making and eating this dish. It was so tasty. I would give this recipe 2 thumbs up. So go ahead and give it a try. Put in the comments down below if you're going to try this dish. I really loved it. So sunshines, that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Don't forget to go check out my other videos. God bless.